This is our double beam spectrophotometer. You can see the main menu of instrument. This is the compartment area. In basic mode, we can test any sample for its absorbance or transmittance. For setting the wavelength, we have to press this set lambda button and we have to enter the wavelength here, desired wavelength. Then press enter. .350 is selected. Now these are the samples. These two cuvettes are of reference and this is the sample cuvette. For blanking we have to use these two cuvettes. Both are reference. Close the compartment and make it blank from pressing 0. Now it is blanked. Now we have to remove this cuvette. We have to take the sample cuvette, close the compartment. You can see the absorbance of that sample. So this is the process to see the absorbance. If you want to see in transmittance, you can press F2 and see transmittance. So this is the transmittance. Escape from here. Remove the cuvettes. This is the sample cuvette. This is the reference cuvette. In multi-wavelength, 6th number. In multi-wavelength, we can check a single sample on different wavelengths. We have to make the wavelength setup F1. We have to enter the different wavelengths here, like one is 350, enter. Second one is 360, enter. Third one is 370, enter. After completing the different wavelengths, you have to escape from here. Now you have to blank it. You have to take two references. Now make it blank from pressing 0. You can see the reference got blanked on these three wavelengths. Now take the sample. And press start. So these are the three absorbance on different wavelengths. Escape from here. Now we will see wavelength scan by pressing 3. Remove the cuvettes. This is the sample cuvette. This is the reference keyword. First of all, we have to make the setup. So F1 will be pressed. We have to take the wavelength range, like I have to take 500, the maximum one. Enter. The lowest one will be 200. Enter. The scan setup will be 1. Enter. Medium will be high. Now see, 200 to 500 is the wavelength range, and this scale will be set from this. The lowest scale is 0. We will take the -1 as the lowest, 3 as maximum. You can see this is changed to this. Now we will take the two references for blanking. Close the compartment completely. Now press 0. Now see, its wavelength is decreasing, maximum to lower. The wavelength range is blanked. Now we have to take the sample. Press start. The scan is completed. If we want to see the peaks, press F3 by pressing the down button. You can see the first peak is here, and it will see 271 is the maximum wavelength, and the maximum absorbance is 0.914. Press again this. The second peak is at 374 and its maximum absorbance is 0.803. By doing this, we can see the peaks. If you want to save the file, press save. Press save. Input file name. Enter. The file is saved. If you want to see the file, press load. 658 will be the saved file, and this is the saved file.